My name's Lee Baker.
I'm Catherine Borowski and we're Graphic Rewilding.
We're from the UK, where we started Graphic Rewilding about 5 years ago to bring the maximalist colours and shapes and vibrancy of nature into urban environments.
We've created a site-specific installation called Flower Clouds for City Place in Houston.
We have taken the flowers of the region and we've brought them together to create these bursts of colour for people to relax and to enjoy the beauty of the nature here at City Place.
So we came to Houston last year for a site visit and to spend some time and really research the flowers, the flora and fauna of the area, and we saw our first ever possum. Unfortunately, the possum hasn't made it into the installation, but we've seen the most gorgeous butterflies and bees and insects and the flowers, which are just so beautiful.
What I love is all the work that has gone into creating and really enhancing a landscape here for people to enjoy nature whilst also being in their work environment or residential environment. Within the work, we've got a lot of hidden moments, so it could be quite a fun thing to go and try and find those.
Drawing and creating flowers just made us feel really happy. And when we started doing more of a deep dive into the science behind it and finding out that even looking at imagery of nature improves your mental health and your well-being was like the biggest light bulb moment for us.
One thing I've noticed is the enthusiasm of Texans. I've got to say, honestly, the response has been phenomenal. So thank you, Texas. Thank you, Houston.
I think in a nutshell, we want to make people happy and we want people to interact with our artwork, see our artwork, and hopefully it fills them with as much joy as it fills our hearts with.